guys, today we're doing
Sumatriptan. The drug class of this medication is a triptan.
It is used for acute migraine attack.
And the dose is 50 to 100 milligrams when you get a migraine attack, with a maximum of 300 milligrams in one day.
Some side effects of this medication might be some flushing, some hot and cold, and some dizziness, which is label 12.
Also let your doctor know if you have a bit of chest tightness and also shortness of breath.
So when you do use this one, if it doesn't work after the first tablet, don't repeat it, because it means that it's not going to work for those migraine attacks. And also, overuse of this medication can lead to dependence. Let us give you some lifestyle tips as well. Hannah, what lifestyle tips would you give for people with migraines?
Thank you for asking, Beck. Some things I would recommend is practicing some relaxation techniques, and going into a dark room can help.
And also drink lots of water and know your trigger as well.
And any monitoring you would do then, Mel?
You can always keep a diary to recognize what triggers your migraine.
Yeah, and then we also monitor how frequently you're using the medication and if you're using other pain medications as well. Alright guys, happy studying.
Thank
Bye.
you.